Half the counties in our area are in yellow, the rest are in orange, meaning that they are still under a masking recommendation of some sort. One of those, Stanislaus County. Fox 40's Garshpal Sangha is there now with more on how officials in that county are reacting to those changes. Garshpal.
Eric, it is a new metric that takes a look at the risk of coronavirus in different communities. And here in Stanislaus County, the CDC says their risk is high. But speaking with some health officials here, they said their numbers tell a different story. COVID-19 restrictions are loosening across California as case rates fall.
I'm really glad that at least we're finally moving in that direction.
A direction that saw the state's mask mandate lifted last week. Even so, some people in downtown Modesto still masking up.
I think anybody should be able to do what they want.
New CDC guidelines released Friday changes the way the federal health agency determines whether to recommend face coverings. In areas with medium and low transmission, most people are no longer recommended to cover up. A recently released CDC map shows local counties remain in the high category, including Nevada, Sierra, Yuba, Sutter, Solano, Tuolumne, and Stanislaus. In those areas, the CDC still recommends people wear face masks.
We're on the right path with the cases going down, so I'm hoping this keeps up.
Stanislaus County Health Services Agency says they are on the back end of the surge and are dealing with only 24 cases per 100,000 residents right now.
The numbers have significantly come down since when we had our surge. I think the highest we had was around 205 cases per 100,000 residents.
The county disputes the CDC's assessment that their community COVID-19 level is high and says the CDC is using outdated case rate information.
We'll see if CDC updates it next week.
Kamlesh Kaur says they're not out of the woods yet, but they're in a lot better position than just a few weeks ago, and they're still advising people to mask up and get vaccinated, as only 69% of Stanislaus County residents have received one dose of the vaccine.
A majority of our cases in the hospitals were those who were unvaccinated or they hadn't received their booster.
As COVID-19 restrictions decrease, many hope this is finally the end.
It's good, honestly. I feel like being stuck inside your house for so long, it's just a really big stress relief.
So those are the federal recommended guidelines. The state guidelines currently states is if you're unvaccinated, then you must wear a face mask while you're indoors. Reporting live in Stanislaus County, I'm Garshpal Sangha, Fox 40 News.